to our student blog. Today, we decided to explore something different, our rare Filipino words. These are words that are beautiful, deep, but sadly not used much in our everyday lives. And since I'm the host for today, I'll start first. What's my favorite uncommon word? It is namahoyo. It means being enchanted, like being so fascinated by something that it felt so magical. For example, namahoyo ako sa ganda ng tanawin sa Tagapulan. This word hits differently. It is not just nagandahan or namangha. It feels like your heart actually pulls to admire something. Personally, I get namahoyo whenever I see food right after the PE class or when the teacher says, "Okay class, no homework for today." That's pure enchantment. Alright, that's mine. Now, let's hear the favorite word of my classmates. Come on! Next up is Roseanne. Roseanne, what's your favorite and commonly used word?
My favorite and my commonly used word is alalalig. It means faint sound, something soft and hidden. Example, narinig ko ang alaliglig sa kuliglig ng gabi. I like this word because it makes me notice the little things you normally ignore. In life, we are so busy. We forgot to hear the alalaliglig, the background sound of hope. In my case, the only alalaliglig I hear at night is Miss Tama. And that faint sound means, Roseanne, bumangon ka, naghanap ka ng chilya.
Alright, that's the favorite and commonly used word of Roseanne. And now, let's hear from Aine Rose. Aine Rose, what's your favorite and commonly used word?
My favorite and commonly used word is dungaw. It means to look out of the window. Example, araw-araw siyang dumudungaw sa bintana, naghihintay. The funny things about this word is it always feel dramatic. Parang may telenovela vibes. Like you do not just look, you dungaw with feelings. Ako, I dungaw not because I'm waiting for long-lost love, but because I'm waiting for my mom to get home. So I can finally ask kung pwede bang magpa-deliver ng milk tea.
Genevieve, it's your turn.
My word is paimakas. It means farewell or last goodbye. Usually something serious. Example, ang liham ay kanyang pahimakas bago siya lumisan. These words feels heavy. It's not just paalam. It's something deeper or almost final. But as a student, my pahimakas moment are usually pahimakas na sa tulog ko. May project na naman or pahimakas na sa allowance kasi binili ko na lahat sa price at milk tea. So yeah, even farewells can be funny in real life.
Allowance gone too soon. So thank you, Genevieve, for sharing your favorite and commonly used word. Next, we have Genevieve. Hi, Genevieve. What's your favorite and commonly used word?
Mine is takip siling. It means twilight, that magical day and night. Example, napakagandang tanawin tuwing takip siling. This word make me imagine when falling trees, sunset, and peace. Let's be real. As a student, takip siling, it's also the right time that you realize, wait, my homework ako bukas. And suddenly, twilight feels less romantic and more tragic.
From sunset to sunset. Thank you, Genevieve R. What about you, Anchi?
My word is mapanaghoy. It means full of sobs or a voice filled with sorrow. Example, mapanaghoy ang tangang tinig ng siya'y iwan. Honestly, this word is like the soundtrack of student life. Mapanaghoy ako kapag nakita ko yung score ko sa math quiz. Mapanaghoy din ako kapag ang group project ay ako lang pala ang gumawa. This word is deep but very applicable because, let's face it, we've all been mapanaghoy at some point, lalo na sa academic life.
The national anthem of the students, Mapanaghoy. Thank you, Anchi. Now let's hear from Miraline.
My word is luklukan.
It means throne or seat of power. For example, ang hari ay umupo sa kanyang luklukan. It sounds grand and royal, right? Like a chair that rules. But in my life, the only luklukan I have is the monoblock chair sa bahay. Video tabingi pa. Still, it's where I sit when I binge. Watch K-dramas or cram, for example. So listen, kahit anong luklukan pa yan, basta comfortable, throne na rin.
That's right, monoblock royalty. Alright guys, now let's ask Cherilyn. Hi Cherilyn.
Hi.
May I ask you a question?
About
What's your favorite and commonly used word?
my word is salipaw-paw. It means airplane. Example, lumipad ang salipaw-paw sa kalangitan. It sounds so fancy compared to just saying aeroplano. Honestly, I wish we still use it. Traveling sound like a magical adventure. But for me, salipaw-paw is a word to only imagine. Kasi ang pinakamalayo kong lalakbay so far ay last room to canteen. Flight budget, libre sakay sa chinilas ko.
Best airline powered by sleepers. Thank you, Cherilyn.
Bye!
Next is Jumel.
My favorite and commonly used word is gunam-gunam. It means reflection, thought, or deep daydreaming. For example, nabuo sa kanyang gunam-gunam ang mga laanan ng nakaraan. I like this word because it makes daydreaming sound wise. Instead of saying napatulala, you can say nagunam-gunam ako. In reality, my gunam-gunam is during class, staring at the board, but thinking about food, vacation, or paano kaya kung mayaman ako. That speaks student gunam-gunam.
Deep Thoughts, sponsored by Boredom. Thank you. How about you, George?
My word is dalisay. It means pure and sincere. For example, ang kanyang dalisay na pagmamahal ay hindi matutumbasan. This word is underrated. It make you think something clean, genuine without pretension. In this world full of fake news, fake smile, dalisay is refreshing for me. For me, dalisay ang gutom ko ngayon. Walang halong biro, walang halong filter, puro totoo.
That's the most honest hunger I've ever heard. Thank you, George.
My word is silahis. It means rays of sunlight sentence sumilay ang silahis sa umaga. It's a rare word but it perfectly captured that hopeful moments when the sun first show up. It's a nice reminder that every day starts with light. And yes, minsan silahis din ako. Nakikita ko lang yung araw kapag recess na kasi late ako gumising.
So, those were my classmates' favorite rare Filipino words. I think we'll learn something new today. Words that carry history, culture, and feelings we sometimes forget to name. And the best part? It's fun to use, even sa modern life. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on our next vlog. Bye!
Alright.
Twilight food.
Mine is Twilight.
Thank you, Truly.
Bye!